It all happened about an hour ago. I was walking my dog, and then a bird fell from a tree. But I didn't know it was a bird because it was so small, it looked like a leaf. But a bird fell out of the tree, landed right on my dog. My dog started biting it. You know what I had to do? I had to grab him and start shaking him to drop it. But by then it was already too late. There was the bird's body just laying there, twitching. The bird's jaw started opening and closing, but then it started to slow. And then finally it closed its eye, passed out, dead. My dog just stared at it. He had blood all over his face. Yeah, but who cares? That's what they normally do. This dog, he's still good. He just killed a bird. That's all. I'm pretty sure most of the dogs have killed a bird in their life. So, nobody gives a crap. It's just a bird. Now dog, just stare at the camera. Just to tell every single bird that you're sorry. That you'll never kill another one. Ever again. Well, never mind, because he's just going to sleep. So...